Hello and welcome to this video. I will show you how you can log in successfully in Hargreaves Lansdown. If you want to log in Hargreaves Lansdown, follow me in this video. Go to Google, search for Hargreaves Lansdown. This is the keyword. Click the first website here. You will see this page. From this page, click on login directly. As you can see here, this option. From here, you have two options. Basically, you have login with your accounts, you have username and date of birthday. Write in this case your username. For example, this is your username. Write your birthday date, as you can see here, friends. For example, this is your birthday date. And then all you have to do, click on continue. You have two options, as you can see here. Just write your ID and username and password, birthday, as you can see here. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. It is just simple steps. Click login, access to steps here, and then you can log in successfully. If you have any question down below in the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as